Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your carrier voicemail is active and you have your PIN, because you'll need it if prompted. Open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. This is where visual or standard voicemail settings live. If you see a visual voicemail list, make sure to tap the three-dot menu or settings gear to access recording options. Once done, you'll be in the right place to change or record your greeting. Don't skip verifying the PIN first. Now you access the greeting settings. This is where you choose default or custom, and why that choice matters. Default is carrier-generated and quick. Custom lets you personalize tone and content. Tap Custom, then Record. Speak clearly and leave a one-sentence intro, your name, and a callback instruction. Make sure to use a calm pace and pause briefly before ending. Once recorded, press Save and immediately tap Play to confirm clarity and correct length, so callers hear the intended message. Finish by saving the greeting and running a live test. Call your number from a different phone to hear what callers will get. If it plays the old message or requests a PIN repeatedly, make sure you saved correctly, and if needed, reset your voicemail PIN through your carrier or the account portal. For app glitches, clear the phone app cache and settings or reboot the device and try again. If problems persist, contacting carrier support usually results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.